Hello and welcome back to another episode of Science Brothers!
Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up and enjoy the movie. Show.
Today we're going to be making magic mud. Your ingredients is some corn flour, but today we're just using cornstarch. You also need a bowl full of water and a spoon. Okay, now we're going to take our water and take some of the cornstarch or corn flour. Kind of take 1 cup. We're going to have 2 cups of the cornstarch or corn flour and put it into the bowl. Now we're going to start mixing our cornstarch in the water. It should become a thick paste-like thing. It could get a little messy. And after you get enough, it should be able to come out of the bowl like this. Now, you might think it feels like a solid, but when you stop, this is what happens. When you apply pressure to your magic mud, it should behave like a solid. But then, when you release the pressure, this is what happens.
That's because the cornstarch or corn flour is turning it into this hard stuff, and this is a liquid, but it doesn't behave like a liquid. If you add pressure, it will behave like a solid, but if you release the pressure like this, then it will start acting like an actual liquid.
Like Einstein always said, I need more water.
Actually, yeah, he didn't never say that. Don't worry, you can put it in a bag and save it for later. But when it dries up, you have to throw it away. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Oh.